Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best iPhone 16 Pro Max screen protector you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best iPhone 16 Pro Max screen protector on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best iPhone 16 Pro Max screen protector are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is AMFilm iPhone 16 Pro Max screen protector. The AMFilm Auto Alignment One Touch screen protector for iPhone 16 Pro Max is a top-tier solution for anyone looking to protect their phone's display and camera lenses. With its fast installation process, premium tempered glass material, and thoughtful design, this protector makes safeguarding your iPhone a breeze. This screen protector is its auto alignment system, which simplifies the application process. The included alignment tray ensures that you can install the protector perfectly in under 30 seconds. This eliminates the frustration of crooked alignments or the need to reapply. Even users with minimal experience can achieve a flawless, bubble-free installation. The tempered glass provides excellent durability and resistance against scratches, drops, and impacts. Rated at 9H hardness, it ensures that your iPhone 16 Pro Max screen is safe from sharp objects like keys or accidental drops. This also applies to the camera lens protectors, which safeguard your lenses from scratches without affecting photo quality. The screen protector is crystal clear, ensuring no degradation of the display's brightness or clarity. Our second best iPhone 16 Pro Max screen protector is Spigen Tempered Glass Screen Protector. The Spigen Glass TR Easy Fit Tempered Glass Screen Protector for iPhone 16 Pro Max is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for reliable screen protection with an easy installation process. This screen protector blends Spigen's trusted quality with a user-friendly application system, making it a go-to option for protecting your phone. The 9H hardness tempered glass offers exceptional protection against scratches, scuffs, and potential cracks from drops. It shields your iPhone 16 Pro Max's screen from daily wear and tear, ensuring it stays in pristine condition. The product comes in a 2-pack, giving you an extra protector in case you need a replacement down the road. This adds great value, especially since you're getting a premium brand with Spigen's high-quality materials and design. The screen protector is coated with an oleophobic layer to resist fingerprints, smudges, and oils. This helps maintain the clarity of your screen and reduces the need for constant cleaning. The Glass TR Easy Fit maintains the clarity and brightness of the iPhone 16 Pro Max's screen. It's ultra clear, allowing you to enjoy the full vibrancy of your phone's display. Additionally, the protector is touch sensitive, meaning it won't affect the responsiveness of the screen. Spigen has designed this protector to be case-friendly, so it fits perfectly with most iPhone 16 Pro Max cases, leaving a slight gap around the edges to avoid lifting when a case is applied. Number 3 in our list is iLuin Screen Protector. The iLuin 3-pack screen protector for iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a complete protection solution for both your phone's screen and camera lenses. This pack is perfect for users seeking comprehensive protection while maintaining compatibility with their cases and preserving full functionality of the iPhone's features, including dynamic island and the camera sensors. The pack includes 3 screen protectors and 3 camera lens protectors, which means full coverage for both the display and the rear cameras. This all-in-one protection is ideal for safeguarding the entire phone, ensuring both the screen and lenses are protected from scratches and impact. A notable feature is the installation frame that comes with the pack. This ensures an easy and accurate installation process, significantly reducing the chances of misalignment or bubbles. Even if you aren't experienced with applying screen protectors, the frame helps make the process hassle-free. Both the screen and camera protectors are made of tempered glass with a 9H hardness rating, providing excellent durability. It offers robust protection against scratches, cracks, and other damage, ensuring the iPhone 16 Pro Max remains in pristine condition. The screen protector is dynamic island compatible, meaning it does not interfere with this new iPhone feature. The glass is designed to fit seamlessly around the dynamic island, maintaining full functionality while offering excellent protection. Fourth recommendation in our side is ESR iPhone 16 Pro Max Screen Protector. The ESR 3-pack for iPhone 16 Pro Max Screen Protector is an excellent option for users seeking durable, high-quality protection for their iPhone 16 Pro Max display. With its 9H hardness, military-grade shatterproof technology, and a user-friendly installation tool, this screen protector offers comprehensive protection without sacrificing clarity or touch sensitivity. The 9H hardness rating ensures that the protector offers outstanding defense against scratches, drops, and everyday wear and tear. Whether it's keys in your pocket or accidental drops, this protector has you covered. The military-grade shatterproof design makes it especially durable and impact-resistant. It absorbs shocks effectively, significantly reducing the risk of screen damage from accidental drops or impacts. The screen protector maintains HD clarity, ensuring that the iPhone 16 Pro Max's vibrant colors and sharp display are not compromised. It provides a crystal clear view, which is great for streaming, gaming, or everyday use. Last in our top 5 best iPhone 16 Pro Max screen protector list is UltraGlass UNBREAK Glass Screen Protector. The UltraGlass UNBREAK Top 9H Plus Glass Screen Protector is a fantastic choice for those looking to safeguard their iPhone 16 Pro Max with military-grade, shatterproof protection. With its 12-foot drop protection, 9H Plus hardness, and full edge coverage, this 2-pack of tempered glass screen protectors offers comprehensive security for your phone's display. The UltraGlass UNBREAK Top 9H Plus Glass Screen Protector is a fantastic choice for those looking to safeguard their iPhone 16 Pro Max with military-grade, shatterproof protection. With its 12-foot drop protection, 9H Plus hardness, and full edge coverage, this 2-pack of tempered glass screen protectors offers comprehensive security for your phone's display. Designed for extreme impact resistance, this screen protector boasts military-grade shatterproof technology, offering protection from drops as high as 12 feet. This is especially beneficial for those who tend to drop their phones frequently. The ultra-clear design preserves the original clarity of the iPhone's display, ensuring no compromise in image quality. You can enjoy the vibrant colors and sharp visuals of the iPhone 16 Pro Max without interference. Marketed as one of the longest-lasting screen protectors, the UltraGlass UNBREAK Top has been engineered for longevity, meaning fewer replacements over time. This makes it a cost-effective choice in the long run,